You ever wonder how some neighborhoods have homes that never hit the market? You blink once and boom, gone. Lucky for you, I found one, and it's up for grabs. Let me show you why this isn't just a home, it's a standard property that offers both comfort and convenience. Living here, it's all about convenience. H-E-B, Target, Walmart are just minutes away. Grabbing coffee or hitting it for dinner? Local cafes and Norte are just close by. This isn't just a place to live, it's a location that makes everyday life easier. Now let's talk about the inside. The first thing you notice is space. This place feels open, airy, and welcoming. And right in the middle, a real fireplace. Not the kind you put on TV during the holidays, the kind that actually keeps you warm. And let's be honest, this is Laredo. So you'll probably use it, twice a year? But hey, it looks fantastic year-round. The kitchen, fully equipped and ready to go. Double oven, because one is never enough. Cooktop, fridge, and dishwasher, all included. Enough space to cook up a feast, or just reheat last night's takeout. No judgment here. And then there's the backyard. Spacious, private, and built for good times. Imagine weekend barbecues, family get-togethers, or just soaking up the sun. And yes, there's a nursery. So instead of being extra for organic oranges at the store, you can just grab one like a boss in your backyard. Thanks for watching. Shoot me a text or DM, drop me a follow, give me a call, tag me in a post. I would love to show you your next house. For now, see you next time.